Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am.
And what would you do if one of them was missing?
I'd probably be doing the same thing you're doing.
Thank you.
Look, put yourself in your kid's shoes. Where would you go? What would you do?
Me? I'd probably be lying dead in a gutter somewhere. Oh, but not Kevin. No, Kevin is so much stronger and braver than I am. No, I know Kevin's fine. I'm sure he is. But he's still all by himself in a big city. And he doesn't deserve that. He deserves to be at home with his own family around his Christmas tree.